Today we're filling out a tax form for a non-US YouTube account specifically based in the UK. Let's check it out. To submit your tax info, you may have a warning in red on your YouTube account, and if you wish you can click on submit tax info and it's going to ask you to sign into your AdSense account, which you can do, but I'm actually going to sign in from an incognito window because I'm logged in on a different Google account on this computer. Enter the details for your AdSense account. If you've got two-step verification, you need to go through that. On your Google AdSense, you may have further warning banners like manage your tax info. You can click on that if you wish. If not, you can go to payments and manage tax info and just start filling out all the details. You're going to have another pop-up and it's going to ask you to confirm your account again. From this point on, it's a question of filling out the forms. It can be a little bit confusing in terms of the term. I'll try to help you out. So although I have a company, but my YouTube account is on an individual account. So I'm going to click individual, click on next. Am I a citizen of the US? No. Next. In that case, I'm going to need one of these two forms. I'm going to select the W8BEN, which is for non-US, unless you've got a company. Click on next. I'm going to dismiss this in the meantime. And name of the individual, I'm going to change that to my own name. DBA, doing business as, name or discarded entity. Yeah, leave that on. Country of citizenship, I'm going to press United Kingdom. For the taxpayer identification number, the TIN, for most individuals in the UK, is going to be your national insurance number. I'll try to put this link for you if you wish for the UK residents. If you go down, you will see this is what it confirms to use your UK national insurance number for the TIN. This bit you can leave blank because it's optional. Click on next. And permanent residence address. Is this a PO box? Okay, in address? No. And I'm going to put in my address here. Next, mailing address is the same as permanent address. Yes. Click on next. Now this point number 3, tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? If you want to get some extra information, we in UK, we do have a tax treaty with the US, so that's going to be a yes. Country, United Kingdom. Special rates and conditions. Now currently I'm mostly using services such as AdSense. I'm clicking on that. If you've got anything else, please make sure you click on the other stuff. Most of us probably won't. Article and paragraph, I'm just going to select the only option available. Article 7 and paragraph 1, withholding rate. This should be 0%, which is the reduced treaty rate. And reason I meet the terms of the treaty article as a resident of the country, yada yada yada. Click on yes and click on next. I forgot to tick on this box, resident of country claiming treaty with the US. Click on that. Okay, at this stage, you're going to get a form. If you click on that, it's going to open a new window and you can double check your information that you've submitted. This is going to be the actual form. You may wish to download a copy for your own records at this stage and save it as whatever you want to save it as. And if you're happy with this, go back to your form and click on this. I confirm that I've reviewed the joint tax documents to the best of my knowledge, yada yada yada. And then click on next. And once again, you can read everything you've entered. And you're going to have to put in your full legal name. And are you the person listed in the signature section? Yes, I am. Unless you're signing on behalf of somebody else. And click on next. Number 6, activities and services performed in the US and affidavit. Activities, yada yada yada, whatever that is. You can click on that for more info. So this is only if you're non-US, but you're doing services in the US and you're getting paid for that. So you're going to click on no. And you're going to tick this. I certify that the services provided Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside of the US. That's for most of us in the UK. And finally, status change affidavit or affidavit. You can click on the info. There's a bit of legal terms. And at this stage, I want to remind everyone, this is not a legal advice or a tax advice. I'm not a professional. This is just showing you what I've done for my own self. Please consult a professional if you're in doubt. And I'm going to click on here, which says I'm providing tax info for an existing payments profile that has previously received payments, because I have been getting AdSense for quite a while. If you're new, you probably have to tick the first bit. And last but not least, under penalties of perjury, yada yada yada, this is, you know, signing your life away. So click on that. And changes, I don't know what that is, just there's no changes, so I'm going to click on submit, and there we go. We have got our tax information form updated, and this is merely an administrative exercise at this stage. And last but not least, you may want to check your email account, because you would have received a confirmation of your tax info, and you click on that and it probably is going to take you back to the same window and same information, and you may want to screenshot that or make a copy for your own records. Once again, I repeat, I am not a lawyer, I am not a legal advisor, I am not a accounts or tax expert, so please do at your own risk. But if you're in UK, then this is going to be just a simple form. We already have a 0% tax treaty anyway with the US. However, what I can help you with are tech stuff. If you want to improve your relationship with tech, please click on the links of the videos on your screen right now, because my name was Ash from My Tech, helping you go from newbie to techie, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.